Let's go plant shopping. If you like plant shopping, as I do, you will be fascinated with all these cute little indoor plants, although the bougainvilleas are definitely an outdoor plant. But look at these Hoyas. I love them all. If I had the room, I will get them all. This is a Philodendron Rojo Congo. Gorgeous. Hello friends, this is Marta with the Living Backyard. Although right now it's not so much living, it's kind of drying out backyard. Look at this, look at that. They are like painted with watercolors. I love peperonias, so beautiful. This one is an Alocasia Silver Dragon. They can get really big. I don't have room for them, but I love them and I love the prices. Pretty much I love anything that is variegated. The Philodendron Birkin looks gorgeous, and depending on the size of the pot is how much they grow. This is the Tradescantia Pistachio. I call it stripy with white stripes. This over here, if you want something to grow like crazy, that's the one, Tradescantia Zebrina. If you're enjoying this video, click or tap the thumbs up. Your thumbs up really makes a difference. And one of my favorite plants is the golden yellow lantana. Over here is a Pride of Barbados, also known as peacock flower or Mexican bird of paradise. If you see it in pink color, it's actually a petite or dwarf poinciana, which is so lovely. Another Hoya. This is a rubber plant that I have in my list. I love the pink leaves. I absolutely love it. And bougainvilleas have always been one of my favorite plants. They don't make it in the winter in some places, but I grew up with them. I have had them in pretty much everywhere I live except for this house, but I'm thinking of getting one. This Alocasia dwarf amazonica is the poly. Although it doesn't look like my poly, which I will show you in a different video. The money plant, which can get also very big. They just look gorgeous together. And more plants over here with a lot of variegation. Some look more silver than others. I guess it's in the light they get. This is the croton, which if you don't know, or maybe you do, but if you plant it on the ground in the right zone, planting zone, it can grow like a tree. That happened to one of my aunts. It was unbelievable and gorgeous, but they don't like cold weather. And the snake plant, which is always so cute to see. Dots and freckles plants, I love them, and I love pink. Look at this. Neon arrowhead. Wow. More Hoya. I love how shiny they are. This is a string of pearls. It's so cute, and they had a bunch. And string of bananas, string of turtles. I have not been very successful with them, but I love them. And here's more of the white Tradescantia with stripes. And look at this, string of hearts, variegated with pink. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And they are really stringy. They go and go. If you love plants and plant videos, subscribe to this channel. This zigzag plant is so cute. There are several plants called zigzag, but this one is like flopsy. and more Tradescantias. And these are some of the lavender. The bees were so busy. This was a very nice fall weather day. And we have to plant more for our pollinators. I love any plant that has blue flowers. The plumbago can get really big if it is in the right conditions. Mine is very small because the deer don't let it grow, but we'll work on it. And if you guess, yes, I got one. I love it. I have been keeping an eye on it. Hopefully it will get more full as time goes by. And check the next video. See you soon.